Hello guys, and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Mojo app to make eye-catching Instagram stories. If you regularly post stories on Instagram, you'll want them to stand out. Mojo is a hidden gem that makes it easy to create high-fidelity stories for Instagram and other platforms right on your phone, all without the hassle of learning video editing software. Mojo is an app designed to create unique stories for Instagram. Unlike most other story editors, Mojo is rare in the sense that it can create dynamic video stories that have a professional look to them. Within the app, you have an assortment of different templates that you can use to your liking. The templates include typography, digital, shop, storytelling, cinema, and fashion. There are subsections within each of these categories, and you can even create your own by choosing to start from a blank template. The blank template, however, does require a paid subscription to Mojo Pro. The app has a decent selection of templates within its free tier, and the paid subscription offers more templates and more text animations. The paid subscription also gives you the ability to change the aspect ratio of videos to suit other media such as grid posts. Mojo is free to download on iOS and Android. Mojo Pro, its paid subscription service, costs $9.99 a month or $49.99 a year. However, while the premium templates look great, they are more for creators and businesses that use stories consistently for their accounts, and you're better off using the free templates if you're only going to be posting these types of media occasionally. If you're looking for more apps, check our videos for more. Now, let's dive in on how to use Mojo. Getting started with Mojo is simple. So, here's a step-by-step explainer on how you can use Mojo to add a bit of flair to your Instagram stories. 1. Choose a template. The app has an extensive library of story templates to choose from, and you will more than likely find the template you like. Make sure you go through all of the templates, including the premium ones, because Mojo lets you keep one of the premium templates if you share the app with your family or friends. I will leave the link to the app on the video description so you can discover it by yourself. 2. Edit the template. Once you have selected a template, you can edit it in many different ways. The app will prompt you to add media, whether it be a photo or video. It will then give you a preview of your story. If you look to the bottom, there are 6 different options to further customize the template. Here's a brief overview of all the controls. The template section lets you change the current template and offers previews of other templates with your media. The next section over is colors, and this lets you change the color scheme of the template. After that, there's the music section, which is self-explanatory. The app has its own presets here again, and you're able to upload your own music. The format section lets you change the aspect ratio of your video. The default is 9:16, which is the aspect ratio for Instagram stories, but you can use their other presets like YouTube or Facebook. The second to last section allows you to alter the duration of your video. However, it also lets you change when certain animations such as text come on and off the video, much like how you would like to animate elements of a slideshow. Finally, the layout section lets you change how your photo or video is displayed within the story. When editing text, Mojo gives you many different controls. By default, the text is in the same style as font from the template preview, but you can easily format it to another font, size, alignment, and color. What's cool about Mojo is the ability to choose from different typography styles that range from large titles all the way to captions and other forms of text. If you click Style, you should get different text templates that are categorized by type. The kinetic text animations found here are one of the best features within Mojo. All of them have previews just like the story templates did, and you can experiment with them to find out that fits your story. Keep in mind that a lot of these text animations require Mojo Promo. Once you are happy with all of your edits, you can click the eye tool on the top to preview the story and then click Done to export. Exporting the story should bring you to a new screen where you will be able to share it directly to Instagram stories or save it as a video and share it elsewhere. All of your stories get stored in the My Stories tab within the Mojo app, where you can access them for future use or alter them at another time. You can also create your own templates, which can be used to build a consistent feed of these types of ephemeral content. So, if you're looking to make better video stories that look minimal and professional, Mojo offers an easy-to-use app to create and share high-quality stories with little to not effort. You can find the link, as I said, in the video description, so you can sign up to the app and start editing your stories. The diverse selection of story templates and tools give you an array of creative controls over your content that otherwise would be time-consuming to create. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.